Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
As we know that the Srimad Bhagavad Gita is considered to be one of the main holy scripture of Hinduism. The main theme of Gita is Dharma, beauty, describe the different yoga, bhakti, karma and liberation. Srimad Bhagavad Gita was written by Lord Ganesh and it was composed by Saint Ved Vyas. If anyone reads Gita and understands the basic importance of it, then his or her life becomes easy and beautiful. Now let's know about the 10 facts of Bhagavad Gita.
Fact number 1. If I ask you that at the time of giving knowledge to Arjun what is the age of Shri Krishna, then some people will say that we cannot tell the exact age, but at that time Shri Krishna was young, because in TV serials we always see Shri Krishna in young age. But you will be surprised to know that the age of Shri Krishna was 89 years when he was giving knowledge to Arjun in Kurukshetra. Fact number 2. In India nowadays people are forgetting our culture, but on the other hand, Britishers has understand the importance of Gita and had decided to adopt Gita.
From now 235 years ago, Britishers has translated Gita in their own English language.
And after that they had taken into practice. Charles Wilkins translated the Gita in English for the first time in 1785 and later it was translated into different European languages. Fact number 3. You have seen in many films and TV serials that when someone is brought to the court to testify in the court, then before his testimony he has to keep his hand on Gita and say that whatever I say I will tell the truth, nothing but the truth. It will be interesting to know that in real life also this happened in India till 1969. But then it was banned in India because many people keep their hand on Gita and lie, which is against the respect of Gita. But in England this is followed now also. There if any Hindu has to give testimony in court, he has to keep his hand on Gita. Fact number 4. The holy book of wisdom, Gita and Mahabharata have a significant relationship with the number 18. The battle of Kurukshetra goes on for 18 days. The number of chapter and pearls in Gita are 18. Pandavas rule Hastinapur for 18 into 236 years. 18 peoples are required for the ritual of sacrifice and the word 18 in Sanskrit means sacrifice. Fact number 5. It was not only Arjun who acquired the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita from Krishna. 3 more people heard sermon directly from Shri Krishna. Number 1. Sanjaya, because he has divine power in his gifts. Number 2. Hanuman, as he was in the flag of Arjun carried. Number 3. Barbarik, son of Gatotkachi, who was watching all this from a top of a hill. Fact number 6. The day on which Shri Krishna gave the knowledge of Gita to Arjun, it was Sunday, and that day was Ekadashi. On that day, 700 slok of Gita was told to Arjun by Shri Krishna in just 45 minutes. Fact number 7. Not only we respect Bhagavad Gita, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also respect Bhagavad Gita. The guests who arrive in India, they are gifted with Bhagavad Gita. On 29 September 2014, that time US President Barack Obama was gifted with Bhagavad Gita. On 3 September 2014, that time Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is given Japanese translated version of Bhagavad Gita as a gift. Fact number 8. It was not just us Indians who have been celebrating Gita. The famous German scientist Albert Einstein also followed Bhagavad Gita. While praising the learnings from the book, he once said, "When I read the Bhagavad Gita and reflect about how God created this universe, everything seems to be superficial." Fact number 9. Even when it is spoken, the Bhagavad Gita is called a song. Even wonder why? Well, Gita is spoken in a particular rhythmic meter called Anushtak, which contain 32 syllables in each version. They are basically divided into 4 lines, which have 8 letters. The Tushutak scale is used in a particular stanza with 11 in every 4 lines. Last fact, fact number 10. You will be surprised to know that the Bhagavad Gita was originally written in Sanskrit until today. It has been translated into approximately 175 languages. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching my video.